Before the dishwasher, the early days of washing dishes.
For centuries, washing dishes was a time-consuming chore done entirely by hand. Families and kitchen staff scrubbed pots, pans, and utensils using water, soap, and a lot of elbow grease. As household sizes and the number of dishes grew, so did the desire for an easier, more efficient way to keep kitchens clean.
The first invention, Josephine Cochrane's breakthrough.
In 1886, Josephine Cochrane, frustrated with broken family china, invented the first practical dishwasher. Her machine used water jets and a wheel to clean dishes in a rack. Although initially marketed to hotels and restaurants, her innovative design laid the foundation for the dishwasher as we know it today.
Adoption and evolution, from luxury to everyday appliance.
Early dishwashers were expensive and mainly used in commercial kitchens. As technology improved, dishwashers became more affordable and compact. By the 1950s and 60s, automatic dishwashers started entering more homes, especially in the United States, making kitchen chores much easier for ordinary families.
Modern innovations, energy and water efficiency.
Today's dishwashers are more advanced than ever, featuring energy-saving cycles, water efficiency, and specialized cleaning modes. Continued innovation has made dishwashers quieter, more reliable, and accessible in kitchens around the world. Modern design also considers environmental concerns and resource conservation.
Dishwashers today, a household necessity.
What began as an invention to solve a personal problem has grown into a standard household appliance. Dishwashers save time, reduce effort, and help families maintain cleaner kitchens. They have become an essential part of daily life, making kitchen chores easier for millions of people worldwide.